Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to merge multiple rows into single cell in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to merge multiple row into single cell. Now we can see here some row. Now I am select the two row. Then go to the home menu. Select the merge and center option. We select the drop down menu. We can see here many option. Now I am select only merge and center. Then we can see we merge multiple rows into single cell easily. You can write this cell, write anything. Now we can see we merge multiple rows into single cell easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.